Hello everyone, I am Ashwarya. As you know very well, I am your SST teacher. So, today I will teach you Chapter 1 The Globe, a Model of the Earth. Before teaching, I want to say something. Can you tell me what is globe? What is globe? You know very well because it's our chapter name, a model of the earth. Okay, let's start it. Our earth is very beautiful, whereas our life exists. In the beginning, people believed that the earth is flat. Therefore, कुछ नाविक उस समय ऐसा सोचते थे कि अगर हम समुद्र तट से बहुत दूर तक जाएंगे तो वह हम मतलब समतल जगह से गिर जाएंगे. दैट टाइम दे बिलीव द अर्थ वॉज सराउंडेड बाई सी. देन निकोलस कॉपरनिकस वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु सेड दैट अर्थ इज राउंड, बट nobody believed at Copernicus theory. Then scientist Galileo also confirmed that the earth is round. Okay, our next para is the globe. Nowadays we can't study of the earth in a one time. That's why then the scientist has made a model of the earth with the help of globe. We can study in one time. Okay, you know that how many oceans are there? It's 5 oceans, like as Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. There are 7 continents like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. We can see only half and half on the globe. The globe has 2 points. The topmost point is called the North Pole and the bottom point is called the South Pole. Means और जो लाइन होती है ना बच्चों, जो लाइन इसको ज्वाइन करती है 2 पॉइंट्स को, we called its axis. Equator. You know equator? Equator is midway pole of the earth. It divides the earth into 2 parts. Upper half is called northern hemisphere and the lower half is called the southern hemisphere. Our next para is latitudes. So let's come. We try to understand about latitudes. When we look at the globe, we see lines drawn parallel to the equator are called parallels of latitude. Children, आप लोग स्टार्टिंग में मैंने पढ़ाया होगा इक्वेटर मीन्स जो ग्लोब की जो मिडवे वाली जो लाइन होती है उसको हम इक्वेटर कहते हैं. उसके जो अपर पार्ट होते हैं और जो लोअर पार्ट होते हैं वो 90 में बटते हैं. जैसे कि द पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड आर नंबर्ड फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री टू 90. देयर आर 180 पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड, 90 ऑन द नॉर्थ and the 90 on the south of the equator. There are 4 important latitudes. First, the Tropic of Cancer. Second, the Tropic of Capricorn. Third, the Arctic Circle. And the last one, the Antarctic Circle. So, our next para is longitudes. What is longitudes? Longitudes means the other set of imaginary lines moving from the north to south are called longitudes. Means जो लाइंस अदर नॉर्थ से साउथ की ओर जाती है उसे हम लॉन्गिट्यूड्स कहते हैं. व्हाट इज ग्रीनिच? व्हाट इज ग्रीनिच? द ग्रीनिच मेरिडियन is an imaginary line that runs through the Royal Greenwich near London in UK. It is numbered as 0 degree. The prime meridian is used to calculate the International Standard Time. Longitudes divides the earth into two equal halves. Right half is called Eastern Hemisphere and left half is called the Western Hemisphere. Our next para is the grid of latitudes and longitudes. Means इसके grids क्या होते हैं, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? A network of straight lines that cross over each other and form a series of square is called the grid. With the help of grid, we locate any place on the globe on the map. So thank you. Our chapter is over. Thank you, student.